Digital printing is widely used in order to produce customized sportswear. A wide range of software solutions and printing equipment have evolved from advertising printing to sportswear product printing in order to sustain the growing demand. However, don't forget sportswear products are, first of all, garments, so their parts must be designed as any other apparel products by constructing and grading patterns to size in a dedicated CAD environment. Graphics, on the other hand, are prepared in dedicated pre-press applications such as Adobe or Corel. How do these two separate environments cooperate? They don't. Because they don't, producers must find some alternative scenarios to work around to complete the job and solve the two major challenges in this process: matching and adapting the size of the printed graphical content to the different sizes of the patterns, printing and cutting the parts. Gemini CAD Systems addresses both problems by introducing for the first time graphical capabilities into its popular apparel CAD package, thus unifying pattern development, nesting and cutting with digital printing. Let's see how it works. Gemini Pattern Designer is the dedicated software for pattern development and grading, a great tool for preparing any apparel product either in series mass production or made to measure. As a huge step forward to unify CAD and graphical applications, Gemini Pattern Designer is now capable of importing and handling high-quality PDF graphical content. The graphical elements will behave as any other internal technical element of the patterns, meaning that they can be repositioned, resized, rotated, and most of all graded. Graphical elements may include piece background, logos, texts, vector, and bitmap images, anything that can be included in a ready-to-print PDF file. By using the same grading rules as the pattern itself, the graphics will have the correct dimension and position and will perfectly match with the finished product. Remember that this is a dedicated apparel CAD environment, so all useful tools to develop, alter, grade, and ultimately prepare patterns for cutting are available. All graphics are included and stored in the Pattern CAD model file, providing portability and connectivity. Once filled with graphics, parts can be automatically nested using the state-of-the-art Gemini Nest Expert tool. There is no difference compared to normal nesting made for a plain fabric. The on-screen previews allow the user to see the patterns with their graphical content as in classical imposition software used for preparing jobs for digital printers. After nesting, the magic happens. Gemini Nest Expert will export two files, one PDF file for the digital printer and one cut file for the automatic single-ply cutter. Gemini Nest Expert can make nests up to 1,000 meters long, meaning that it can print a complete roll of fabric in one job. Therefore, the sublimation or direct printing process can be roll to roll without any human intervention. The result of this process is a roll of printed fabric ready to be cut. And now, let's remember, Gemini Nest Expert created not only the print file, but also the corresponding cut file. The entire roll can then be cut on a single-ply cutter provided with the Gemini Vision Cut system, again with no human intervention, fully automatically. Vision Cut scans the printed fabric surface, identifies the position and distortion of the patterns, and cuts them perfectly. Let's see this once again, because it happened too quickly. Place the graphics on the pattern and grade them on all sizes. Nest the pattern and generate two files, one for the digital printer, the other for the cutter. Print the fabric in a high productivity, labor-free, roll-to-roll process. Automatically cut the fabric using the Vision Cut system. The solution offered by Gemini CAD system brings a huge reduction of labor costs and dramatically increases the productivity, by operating the entire production into an automatic roll-by-roll process with no human intervention. So remember, instead of trying to use digital printing software to handle garments, now you can have a garment-dedicated software capable of handling digital printing.